So yes, this is where we're at today, July the 27th. Is it 27th or 26th? One of these days, I don't know. One of these days, you guys. But yeah, we're gonna come out here tomorrow and again later this week and try to put some type of names to everything. Figure out exactly what everything is that's growing. Yeah, the pumpkin vines be coming out.
So if you growing pumpkin.
Okay, so this is our update. This is another update. We just let mother do her thing this go round, cause we have quite a bit of pre-planted things that we didn't know what they were, and now we see the rabbits been getting up in here. Some other bugs. We are not sure what this is, but
Somebody said squash.
Somebody
said some other thing. It's nothing going on. I don't know. So look, guess what we have? We have our first harvest. Look at this. We have our first harvest.
oh yeah, they're coming in really good. These
Beautiful.
tomatoes.
Look at that. Look at this one though. Look at this baby. Look at that baby.
Ooh.
Look at that baby. Look at that
Come
baby.
through tomatoes.
Baby's here. Nice and right. Yeah.
We might have cherry tomatoes, y'all.
Whatever you doing, I need you to baby. I need you to come on. I need my baby to catch up.
Baby's coming. We gotta trim it a little bit though.
He's nibbling on the tail. That's what he's nibbling on.
No, that's the
Bugs.
yeah, I think this is the cauliflower over here.
Oh, cauliflower.
Yeah. See, those gotta come up though. Those right there, out there, them weeds, they gotta come up. We see the pumpkin over there. We got a couple volunteers coming out this week. Our onion are coming in kind of good. I'm gonna just download the app. All right, this where we at, y'all. This where we at. A work in progress, indeed. A work in progress.
And take over everything.
If you're growing pumpkin, just know.
So just have a complete space just for pumpkin.
Yeah, usually it's just like a pumpkin patch, so we didn't know that pumpkins were back here already. Again, this was given to us, so we kind of got to just let it do what it does this year, this season, and then yeah.
Ain't nothing with the rabbit.
That's the
rabbit.
Yeah, that's the rabbit eating that cauliflower
That's
right there.
So
yeah.
Lemon juice, brown juice, or something in there.
We'll figure it out. Mulberry tree standing strong.
Okay. The one coming.
Where?
Right there. Right there. Right there.
Mm.
It's coming.
The baby's coming out. Peace, y'all.